We're Annalise and Jordan, and we live in this Mercedes Sprinter van full time with our fluffball Lily. Join us as we get the van ready to leave the UK and head out on the Eurotunnel on a 3-month adventure across mainland Europe.
Bonjour!
I don't know what I prefer, the Eurotunnel or the ferry. Do dogs know when they're on holiday? Like, does Lily know that she's in France right now? So today is the day that we leave for the Eurotunnel, and we have a mega to-do list to get through, and the van is in this state, so let's crack on.
First on the to-do list is the gas bottle, so let's get that out, get that changed.
And what one is it that we use?
907 bottle.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed, cause baby I got you.
I forgot, guys, safety first when transporting a gas bottle.
We've really just pulled over for that.
Yeah. Right, let's go.
So we've been getting our gas from a company called Flow Gas. It's in Nosey, so it's not too far from home. If you are looking for the 907 camping gas bottles, Flow Gas is your place. Also, a bit of a story time why Jordan's gone out getting the gas. I think something is warning us off doing this trip. So obviously just before we're leaving, Jordan's back went. So we went to see a chiropractor yesterday to sort that out, and he feels like a little bit better, but I'm going to have to do a bit of driving in the van, which is a bit scary. And then Lily has been running and twisted a dew claw, so that was upside down, so we had to go to the vets and sort that out. Luckily she's all sorted now, but it's just been like problem after problem, so fingers crossed now it's all plain sailing. New one,
Nice freshie.
do you know what I've just seen online as well?
What?
Halfords have got a sale on a bottle for 32 quid. Instant Helens.
They're not full though, are they?
Yeah,
Since when?
they're on sale from 45 to 32 quid. I've just seen it then.
I've just paid 47.
47.
Yeah, so the prices are going up on them.
My bad, that was for an empty cylinder. Okay, next on the list, go and pick the alternator up from GSF, and I've literally just said what it's called.
Headlight covers?
Headlight covers from Halfords.
Yeah. So I went into GSF and they gave me a price on the phone of how much it is, including the VAT and the surcharge. And then when I went back in, they wanted like £60 more for the part, for the alternator, and I wasn't doing it. I said no, I'm not doing it. You told me it was that much on the phone, and now get in, it's like £67 more. So I was like, nah, you're all right. Stick it up your arse. I'll get one abroad.
So we're at Halfords to pick up the stickers now, so hopefully they're in stock. Driving in Europe.
Oh, that's well better.
Oh yeah, go for that one then.
That is well better, innit? You don't want that big horrible UK badge that we've got on the back. Look at the size. That's what we've got on the back at the. Oh no, that's what we've got on the back at the minute. Look at the size of that.
Yeah, we'll get
go
the
for
little
that one.
Success.
Success, man.
The most important stop of the day: cooked chicken from Morrison's and salt and pepper buns.
Yeah.
If you know, you know.
Banging. Get it.
Refuel before the big jobs.
Alright.
Catch.
So if you have been watching us on Instagram, you'll probably know that we've already made these brackets for the skis either side. And I'm just going to show you basically how they work. So it's Velcro that goes over, and then basically in the middle where obviously the binding is and where the Velcro actually holds it, we've got the Velcro there, but we've got plates, 2 plates to make sure that the Velcro doesn't just rip off the wood. But yeah, it's super easy to make, dead cost effective as well, like with the heavy duty Velcro. And it's just literally a case of folding it over, folding that over, and then that's it. That's it in. Do the top, do the bottom just to stop them from rocking about everywhere. And then that's it, solid. There isn't actually anything up with a battery, but there is at the same time. So basically, we've had this battery in for like 4 years, and we've been like jump starting it like hell, haven't we? Yeah. So it's just been absolutely abused. So I thought I'd just change it out, put a new battery in, and I'll keep that one in the shed in case I still need it. Sweet, so that's in.
That's that. Connect it back up.
Connect it back up, start it up, see how we get on. So next job on the list is fitting this Sterling power unit. We'll come back to that in a moment, and I'll show you what unit we've got in at the minute. This is the unit that we've currently got in, and it's been absolutely terrible, so we're going to be taking that out. I'm just going to talk about the benefits of the Sterling power charger over the Renogy charger. We've had the Renogy charger in our van for about 12 months, but unfortunately it's not really worked well for us. It just kept stopping working. Took it apart, managed to get it working again, stopped working again, and it's, yeah, just constant with it. But the benefits of the Sterling power to the Renogy, it's much smaller, much more lightweight, and also you get a temperature sensor with the Sterling power one, which is quite good. It's also bi-directional, where this one isn't bi-directional. This will only charge your house batteries, where the Sterling power will charge your house batteries, but if you have a problem with your starter battery and you need to start your van, it's a bi-directional charger so that you can get the current going back the opposite way as well if you need it. We've got a 10% discount code for lithium batteries and a 15% discount code for anything else. So yeah, the link will be in the description below of the discount code, and we'll pop it on the screen right here. We're now fully packed up and we're ready to go. Van's here, Annalise is inside. It's around about, sorry if you can't see me, but it's around about 10 o'clock, is it? Half 10, something like that?
10 to 10.
10 to 10. And we're heading from St Helens now down towards Folkestone. So I'll see you when we get there.
Morning guys, so we finished all the jobs on the list just about. Pulled over for a little sleep, so we pulled over just near Oxford in like a lay-by park up, but really nice. Got here around 1 o'clock and we woke up this morning and Lily had been sick all over the bed. So I think we've had a bit too many treats last night.
Just a bit. And
on the UDs, so I've managed to like kind of wash stuff, but we needed some new bedding and a duvet anyway, so I think it's time to chuck that out and go and get some new ones.
People knew her by her will, to make it whatever she put her mind to. Late night hours up the hill, serving coffee to strangers, talking about revenue. She kept dreaming of a world big enough for everyone, but she knew it must rain before it grows. She kept dreaming of the day butterflies survived the wheel, even though she could knock down and never showed. Dear Lily, where'd you go? Where's your heart at? Why'd you fall back lately?
Right, let's make the bed. Done. Can't wait getting that later.
Oh yeah, it feels dead comfy, doesn't it?
So now that's all done, we're going to make our way over to Folkestone. So it's about a 2-hour drive from here, and then we're just going to chill out for the day. Our Eurotunnel's booked for 10:30. I think we check in around 9:30 doing like the dog stuff. But yeah, let's go.
just got to Folkestone, pulled over because we're going to get our heads down. But the weather's insane, so there's a massive backup of traffic, isn't there?
Yeah.
About 20 mile long, and because they've shut off the ferry, the ferry crossing over to Calais, haven't they?
Yeah, from Dover.
There, so you see the size of these waves. I'm going to get out and show you now. It's just mad.
So it's 7:45. I think that we can actually get there for about 8:20, and the traffic is absolutely horrendous.
It is taking a mick, isn't it?
It is mad, obviously, because the Dover port is closed, which I mentioned before. There's just, we thought, oh, we'll set off like quite early, but I mean, oh my god, we literally just stopped, and I don't even think it's going to move, because as you've seen before, how all them lorries were backed up on the motorway. I literally don't think they're moving, so I don't think this way that we're going is actually going to move. So I think we're on the right track.
Right.
Press to check in.
Press to check in. Come on. What? 6, 1. Yeah, I think so, yeah. Moved. Pet reception, left. Lily's going to pet reception, Lily's going to pet reception. Are you alright?
Yeah. You want to come round and park up and
yeah, sure.
go to pet reception, do you?
Yeah, no worries.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Billy, you're going to pet reception?
You're coming this time?
Yeah.
Fingers crossed all paperwork's right. Right, into here. Oh no, going water.
Come on.
All sorted. 1988. Look at that.
Wow.
Some design in it to be able to do that under the sea is just insane. Realised. Look at this. Not gonna get in.
Oh, fab, thank you.
Down here. Are you okay?
Yeah, you okay?
Yeah, not too bad.
Where did you take it from?
Passports, yeah.
Your camper?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Very good.
So,
Thank you. Just the next window when you can.
yeah, no worries. Thank you, Ta. Are you okay? Just these, yeah. Go. Thanks a lot. Ta. Bye. There's where we go to, just straight on. Are you okay? Yeah, it is, yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I got LPG on board, yeah. Are you alright? Yeah, it's not connected though, it's the bottle's actually got a cap on it.
That's fine.
So it's,
That's the green arrows. Thank
yeah,
you.
no worries. No, it's not connected.
So we're just going through the French border bit now.
Bonjour. It's getting cold now, isn't it? What are they? I can't
Mine's gone blank.
I forgot what it's called now. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Merci. Au revoir.
That horrible moment where you forget how to say thank you.
Yeah, no worries, thank you. Thanks a lot. See you in a bit, mate. Ta-ra.
So guys, you can't really see me, but we are finally heading on to the EUROTUNNEL. Let's show you.
Here we go. So that guy had fell asleep?
Yeah, this guy in front of us, we were like, why are we not boarding? And yeah, he fell asleep in his van, so we had to, well, they told us to drive around him, but then they went and woke him up.
That's quite funny, that. That is weird, that.
Yo guys, you're on the vlog. We're just slowing down now, so I think we've arrived in France. So I don't know why I thought it, but I didn't think that the tunnel would kind of move. But it is so shaky when you're on here, you're literally like that. And the van in front of us here looks like it's going to tip over. So I don't know what I prefer, the EUROTUNNEL or the ferry.
Good morning, guys. So we got off the EUROTUNNEL last night in Calais and we drove, I think it was about 45 to 50 minutes, I think it was, to a place called Belleul. I think that's the pronunciation. Should be right, shouldn't it?
We'll have to get better.
But yeah, we just woke up this morning. We banged on some bacon. We've got a toaster now. Look at this. Toaster. Game changer. So we're just going to have a bacon butty and a coffee, and then we'll head out into the village and see what there is.
Yeah.
So Annalise has just made a really good point. In St. Helens you find Smirnoff, and in France you find Grey Goose. Classy. Oh my god, the height of that.
We've literally just been saying though, we're watching the dog just like walk around like wagging her tail and stuff, and I think me and Jordan are both more excited about the dog being abroad than we are. She's in another country.
She's loving it, isn't she? Look at her. We're literally, I'm guessing this is the high street here, so we're going to go for a little walk and just see what's about the area, because we actually haven't done any like no research whatsoever, have we?
Nothing.
Absolutely nothing.
I think that's what's good though, we've got no expectations. We don't know where we're going. We've got a rough idea of like countries.
But that's it.
That is it.
Yeah, literally that is it, isn't it? We've come here, right, and we're going having a walk down to the Aldi, see what the prices are like.
Also, if anyone knows the answer, because Google's not telling me, leave it in the comments below. Do dogs know when they're on holiday? Like, does Lily know that she's in France right now?
Yeah, that's what we want to know. Google search it and drop it in the comments, let us know. So guys, after saying that I'm not going to spend anything, when I went into Aldi, I got Annalise a Red Bull.
€1.09?
Yeah, €1.09, so it isn't too bad. A lot cheaper than what it is at home. So that's it from us, guys. We're leaving France now and we're heading towards Belgium, so we'll catch you on the next one.